Ray's house is at the King Brown.
Huh?
Ray's house is at the King Brown. I'm just trying to trick you, like.
You mean Frank? What's your smell? Wait, is it next to my book?
Close. Close to Kikusugi.
Oh,
I can't tell you where he lives. I know where he lives.
I can make this so easy. No. Is it down like a hill?
Up
You'll
and
see.
down.
You'll see.
Daddy, are you gonna drop off Dun Dun or are you gonna drop off me first?
Drop us off.
Drop us off.
Another person.